Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we delve into the latest and most revolutionary camping gadgets that will transform your outdoor adventures. From advanced tents and sleeping solutions to cutting-edge cooking gear and safety devices, these inventions are designed to enhance your camping experience like never before. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the outdoors, these next-level inventions will take your camping game to new heights. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and real-world applications of these must-have camping tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest camping gear reviews and tips. Introducing the Berghouse Air Mobile Hotel 6XL, the ultimate tent for those who want the luxury of a hotel while exploring the great outdoors. Setting up this tent is as easy as checking into a hotel room. Simply inflate the special beams, secure it with pegs, and voila! Your mobile retreat is ready, combining sturdiness with style. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with separate sections, perfect for hosting a large group. With strategically placed windows and doors, a smart ventilation system, and ample storage, every detail is designed for your maximum comfort. Built tough to withstand whatever nature throws at it, this tent is ready for any adventure. At $570, it's a long-term investment that keeps on giving. Once you own it, it's yours forever. Plus, you can even rent it out to other travelers and recoup your costs, making it a win-win for everyone. Giga Pump 4.0, the ultimate gadget for all your inflatable needs. Whether it's a tent, pillow, air mattress, or any other gear that requires inflation, this device has you covered. No more huffing and puffing. The Giga Pump 4.0 takes care of everything with a powerful pressure of up to 4.2 kilopascals. One charge is all you need to inflate up to 7 mattresses or 10 pillows, making it a must-have for any outdoor adventure. It comes with 5 adapters to fit all your pumping needs. But that's not all. The Giga Pump 4.0 also doubles as a flashlight and can help you start a fire, adding extra convenience to your camping trips. Weighing just 105 grams, this compact device won't weigh you down. Hang it on your backpack and you're ready to go. And the best part? It's only $39. Don't miss out on this essential camping tool. Meet the guard dog, your loyal road trip companion. Imagine a dog lounging on top of your car that doubles as a cozy mobile home. Sounds wild, right? Let me introduce you to the Unistrength roof tent, cleverly housed in a dog-shaped box. Setting it up is a breeze. Just pop it open with a ladder and use the pump to inflate it. It's the ultimate quick and easy solution for your on-the-go living needs. Step inside and you'll be amazed. Almost the entire wall and ceiling surface can transform into windows. And no need to worry about bugs. Safety netting is in place to keep mosquitoes and insects out. With ample room for 1 or 2 people, you'll enjoy a cozy, weatherproof retreat. For added comfort, consider adding a heater or air conditioner. Just be mindful of extremely strong winds, as the tent may not withstand them. Whether you're hitting the road for a trip or a camping adventure, the guard dog ensures a comfortable and convenient stay wherever you go. Introducing the Bajao Cabin, a game-changer from Germany made just for SUP boards. This innovative tent is the first of its kind, fitting nearly any board between 3.5 to 4.3 meters in length. But here's the best part. It features inflatable elements that make setup a breeze, taking just 2 minutes. Once inflated, you can leave the tent floating on the water, pull it ashore, or even lift it onto your car roof. And if you don't have a board handy, no worries. The tent works perfectly fine on its own. Weighing in at just 5 kilograms, it's easy to handle, although it comes with a price tag of $670, which is pricier than many boards. Whether you're on water or land, the Bajao Cabin offers a unique and versatile camping experience. Meet the Cam.G Camping Guard, your must-have tool for outdoor safety. When you're cooking with ovens in your tent, a carbon monoxide detector is crucial, and this one does much more. It's Bluetooth compatible and also measures temperature and humidity. If any readings fall below safe levels, its built-in 105 decibel alarm, as loud as an orchestra or thunderclaps, will alert you immediately. It runs for up to 100 hours on a single charge and weighs just 82 grams, making it lightweight and easy to carry, even on hikes. This versatile device fits perfectly in various settings, from a fisherman's pocket to a motorhome shelf. And at just $67, it's a smart investment for your outdoor adventures. Meet the Isabella Camplet Passion, a tent that redefines camping with an array of kitchen options like you've never seen before. It's so feature-packed that the seller even created an online configurator, much like those used for designing apartments. Starting at an impressive 18 square meters, this tent is spacious enough for up to 6 people. It boasts separate bedrooms, a roomy living area, and a cozy microclimate inside. The best part: you can customize it to your heart's content with lighting, carpeting, bike racks, and more, turning it into your own little home away from home. Priced at around $9,000, the Isabella Camplet Passion is a worthwhile investment for any camping enthusiast. Discover Chinny Inflatables and their amazing range of inflatable tents. These aren't your typical tents. They come in unique, fascinating designs that will spark your imagination. For instance, check out the inflatable ball home. It offers a stunning panoramic view, perfect for enjoying scenic spots. Need a bit more privacy? You can easily adjust sections to be non-transparent. Then there's the inflatable igloo, a visually stunning option with plenty of space inside for a cozy living area. And the options don't stop there. You can find inflatable structures resembling classic houses or small hangars with windows. No matter the design, all Chinny Inflatables share 2 key features. They set up quickly with just inflation, and they save you time and hassle. Perfect for mobile homes, these innovative tents offer a unique and convenient way to enjoy the great outdoors. Meet the Zero Breeze Mark EU AC, the ultimate solution for keeping your large tents cool. This powerful air conditioner can drop the temperature from 32 to 15 degrees Celsius in just 10 minutes, making sure you stay comfortable even on the hottest days. With a single charge, it can run for up to 8 hours, giving you ample time to enjoy a refreshing breeze. Plus, it offers multiple recharging options, including solar panels, all connectable to your car's cigarette socket. Whether you're in a tent, camper, or motorhome, this AC has you covered. Designed for convenience, it features a handy handle for easy carrying and a remote control for effortless operation. Despite its powerful cooling capabilities, it operates at just 52 decibels, about as quiet as gentle rain or a soft conversation.